Hello, I'm Lourdes Castro. Today, I will introduce you to my app U.Pilot. My goal for it was to create a unique vocabulary learning app. Here is an overview of today's presentation. First, I'll introduce you to our user Sebastian. We'll take a look at some of his needs and the challenges he faces. Then, we'll look at some features and initial ideas we designed for Sebastian. From there, and focusing on our app U.Pilot, we'll talk about some usability testing and some issues we discovered. Finally, we'll look at some solutions and lessons we learned along the way. Sebastian is 38 years old. He is an art director and works in a fast-paced environment. He loves to volunteer in several projects in his free time. And he really enjoys mingling with other people, learning languages and contributing to society. We started by writing a problem statement to help us focus on Sebastian's needs. So, Sebastian needs a way to organize and study vocabulary for the various volunteer projects he is in. Because each project has a special vocabulary and it's hard for him to keep track on the different words that each project uses. Next, we created user stories. User stories are short descriptions of features told from the perspective of the user. This helps us document the features that Sebastian needs. We developed users flows for two tasks. First one is this one, reviewing flashcards and pronunciation. And the other one is creating a flashcard set. User flows help us to better understand how Sebastian might complete these tasks. After the user flows, we started to sketch wireframes. We created wireframes for several important screens, like splash, login, and flashcards. We also created wireframes for the previous task flows. After the initial wireframes, we designed an interactive prototype. Here are some of the screens from our prototype. Then, we tested our prototype with 4 people. One test was online via Skype, and the remaining 3 of them in person. We chose 5 tasks for our tester to complete. We discovered several issues from our usability test. We rated the error using Jacob-Nielsen severity ratings, which range from 0 for known issues to 4 for usability catastrophes. The biggest issue was to discover was that they got stuck in flipping the flashcard and they couldn't associate the progress bar icon. Let's move to the solution part. I will show you 6 of them. The first issue was categorized as severity 2, a minor usability problem. Users desired to use social media option to log in. So, to solve this, we add the most important social media icons. In here, the second issue was categorized as severity 3, important usability problem. Users found the layout unclear, so we improved it. Here, the third issue was categorized as severity 2, a minor usability problem. Users tried to click on the name of the project first, then to the proper button. But we bet adding this link as a shortcut upgrade our app. Here, the fourth issue was categorized as Severity 3, Important Usability Problem. Users found annoyed flipping the flashcard to learn more. We solved this problem embedding the information into one slide. The fifth issue was categorized as Severity 4, a usability catastrophe. Users got stuck into flipping their car. They didn't know what to do next. To solve this problem, we added viewable instructions. You see? From here, this icon, he flips and you go to the next one. The last issue was categorized as Severity 4, 2, a usability catastrophe. Users had problems finding the progress bar icon. It wasn't intuitive. So, to solve this problem, we changed the icon, this one, to this one. So, I found each task high time consuming, but up to this point, I can say it was worth it. I've learned so much, and the good news is that I want more. I suppose that it is because I have enjoyed everything a lot. To sum up, there are 3 things I want to highlight and I think I should keep in mind from now on. First one, keep it simple is the first rule. 2. The importance of following step. Every single step is crucial to not to take it for granted. And third, the last one, testing is highly important, but testing one after another guarantees success. In here, you can check through this link the app, the prototype. So, thank you so much for listening and see you next time. Bye.